three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry. Three-dimensional geometry is an extension of two-dimensional geometry. और सबसे पहले हम इसमें स्टार्ट करते हैं आपका कोऑर्डिनेट्स. द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. जिस तरीके से टू डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री में दो एक्सिस होते हैं जिनको हम एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस बोलते हैं, लाइक दिस. This is x axis, this is y axis, this point O, and this is x dash, y dash. This is x axis, and this is y axis. Y axis. In two-dimensional geometry, there are two lines, x-axis and y-axis, yeah, x o x dash, y o y dash, and there is one intersection point O. Because lines are two, then we can divide this whole plane in four parts. This is x o y, and this is x dash o y, this is x dash o y dash, this is x o y dash, and in this part all are positive. In this part x is negative, y is positive. In this part both are negative. In this part x positive, y negative. In three-dimensional geometry, there are three axes. In three axes. In three-dimensional geometry, there are three axes. X-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. You can say there are three lines: x o x dash, y o y dash, and z o z dash. And this whole space can be divided into 8 parts. Divided into 8 parts. These parts are x, y, z, x dash, y, z, x, y dash, z, x, y, z dash, x dash, y dash, z, x dash, y, z dash, x, y dash, z dash, and this is x dash, y dash, z dash. All are positive. X negative and y and z are positive. X positive, y negative, z positive. In this, x is positive, y positive, z negative. This is positive, positive. This is x negative, y negative, and z positive. In this x negative, y positive, z negative. In this positive, negative, negative, and negative, negative, negative. There are 8 parts. There are some points in 3-dimensional geometry. The first is the coordinate of origin is 0, 0, 0 and x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is origin, this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Number 2, the points on x, y and z axis have coordinates this is x 0 0 0 y 0 and 0 0 z. Number 3, the points P, Q, R. The points P, Q, and R, which lies on XY plane, XOY plane, XZ plane, XOZ plane, and YOZ plane R. The point P, which lies in the XY plane, the coordinate is x, y, 0. The point Q, which lies in XZ plane, the point is x, 0, z. And finally, the point lies in YZ plane. This is R, having the coordinates 0, y, and z. Now, if the point P, x1, y1 and point Q, x2, y2 in 2D plane, then the distance of these 2 points, these 2 points PQ is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In a similar way, if P is the point having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 and point Q having the coordinate x2, y2, z2 in 3D space, then the distance between these 2 points, distance between these 2 points is PQ is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. Number 2. If a point x, y divides the line AB, where this A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. In the ratio m over n, then the point can be calculated as x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to m by 2 n by 1 upon n plus n. And बिल्कुल इसी तरह से if point x, y, z divides a line joining the points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in the ratio m over n, then this x is equal to mx2 and x1 upon m plus n, y is equal to m by 2 and y1 upon m plus n, and this z is equal to mz2 and z1 upon m plus n. So 3 points. So 3 axes x, y and z.